So we've got pork Afritada on the menu today. Chef June is going to be cooking this. I'm jumping on board to do a little translation to make it easier for you non-Tagalog speakers. Over to Mr. Chef June.
Welcome po sa Junior's Tagalog Cooking Channel. Ngayon po, gagawa naman ako or magluluto ng pork afritada or apritadang baboy. Ito po ang ating mga gagamitin. Baboy, pork belly po yung gamit ko. Sibuyas, hotdog, patatas, carrots, tapos gagamit din tayo ng frozen green peas, tomato sauce, laurel, pamintang buo, bawang, patis, gagamit din tayo ng asin, mantika, at tubig.
So that's belly pork, potatoes, some frozen peas, some tomato sauce like a pasta tomato sauce, passata, carrots, some hot dogs, onion, salt, fish sauce, garlic, black peppercorns, and bay leaf. I'm going to start this off with a touch of oil.
Ayan po, naglagay na po ako ng mantika sa aking lutuan. Siyempre po, ang una natin gagawin, magigisa na tayo ang bawang. So, hihintayin lang natin siyang pumula. Tapos po, maglalagay na tayo ng sibuyas.
So there you go, so touch of oil, starting off with the garlic, just going to get it slightly brown, then we're going to add the onions.
So ayan po, okay na yung ating bawang, sibuyas naman. So lulutuin ko lang yung ating sibuyas ng mga 1 minuto, tapos po ilalagay na natin yung ating baboy.
So in go the onions, we're going to cook these just for like 1 minute or 90 seconds. We're on quite a high heat, then we're going to add the pork.
So ayan po, okay na yung ating sibuyas, baboy naman. So isusuti ko lang ang ating baboy ng mga 4 to 5 minutes. Once na mag light brown na siya, papakita ko sa inyo yung susunod natin na gagawin.
I think you got that. In goes the pork. Going to cook it for about 4 or 5 minutes until it's light brown.
Ayan po, nakita man ninyo, light brown na po yung ating pork belly. Susunod natin gagawin, maglalagay na tayo ng tomato sauce. Maglalagay tayo ng tubig para maluto yung ating baboy. Patis, asin, laurel, pamintang buo. Haluin ko lang sandali. Lulutuin lang natin siya ng mga 20 minuto. Tatakpan natin siya. Pagkatapos po ng 20 minuto, ilalagay na po natin yung mga gulay.
So in went the tomato sauce, touch of water, cold water, salt, fish sauce, the black peppercorns, and the bay leaf. We're going to cook this now. I'm going to lower the heat just a little bit. We're going to go for about 20 minutes.
Okay po, tanggalin ko na yung takip. So medyo malambot na po yung ating baboy. Kung kinakailangan mag-add kayo ng tubig, mag-add po, pero konti lang. Tapos po, ilalagay na natin yung matigas na gulay, kagaya ng patatas, ng carrots. So lulutuin lang natin siya ng mga 5 to 7 minutes. Tapos po, ang panghuli, lalagay na natin yung ating hotdog at ang green peas. Hindi po natin pwedeng isabay yung green peas, gawa ng malalabog po siya, madudurog kaagad.
So as you see, we just added a touch more water. The potatoes, the carrots, we're going to cook them for about 6 minutes. Then after that, we're going to add the final 2 ingredients, which are the hot dogs and the green peas. That looks lovely, Jim.
Yes. Okay po, punta na tayo sa last stage ng pagluluto ng kalderetang apritadang baboy. So ngayon, sisiguraduhin natin na malambot na yung ating patatas. Malambot na po siya. Ang panguhuli natin, ang hotdog at ang frozen peas. So lulutuin ko lang siya ng mga 5 minuto, tapos po pwede na po siyang serve.
Right, so the final stage, we're gonna just add the hot dogs, the garden peas or frozen peas. We're gonna go for about 5 more minutes, and we're done. We'll see you at the table.
Ito na po ang ating napakasarap na pork afritada o afritadang baboy. Muli, marami pong salamat sa panonood ng Junior's Tagalog Cooking Channel. Sana po huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay!
And there you go, that's it. The pork afritada is done. Absolutely delicious. Well done to Chef June. Give us a thumbs up, leave a message, say hi to us. We like to hear from you. Subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love. Salamat po. Mabuhay!